Hey guys, what's up? Scott and Lenox here from Hooked on OC on location, 30th Street at one of my favorite spots during the summer, man. It's going to be one of your favorite spots during the winter too, but I'm at Speed World Jolly Roger with my good friend Steve. You know what we do, man, especially around holidays. Great seeing you, buddy.
How you doing,
Great
Scott?
seeing you. I'm doing really good, really good. So we've got 3 sales to tell you guys about coming up. The Black Friday sale is back in full effect, and there's a couple after that in case you missed Black Friday, but Steve's going to tell us all about it. They're already starting the decorations here at Jolly Roger, and it looks fantastic, and you are really going to be able to take advantage of some great savings for next season at Jolly Roger Amusement Park and the pier, right?
And the pier.
But tell me about it. What's going on Black Friday.
First, we start with the world-famous Black Friday sale. In person, Jolly Roger, Speed World Building, Black Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
That's November 29th, right here.
Right here.
Yep, okay. It's a party, really.
50% off.
That's awesome.
Half off for you and me.
That's crazy.
50% off.
Okay, it's like 50 cents on the dollar.
It's like 50 on a dollar, yeah.
All right, so you guys can figure that out. 50% off, but it's in person only. Got to be here, Jolly Roger. What are the hours like and what's going on here?
8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Okay, good hours.
Now, we got a little long on our line last year.
Okay.
We've added registers this year. We added another 3 or 4 registers.
Okay.
You know, we're making it better for everybody so you get through the line quicker.
Understood.
We got some entertainment for everybody, some live entertainment for 4 or 5 hours. Same thing, 50% off. That's the hook.
So basically, though, if you're getting that kind of bargain, you're willing to wait a little while, but you guys don't want it to feel like you're waiting. You're going to have all kinds of food and drinks here on the house.
Free hot chocolate, coffee, cookies, you know, danishes, stuff like that. We got fire pits out there. We got live music.
That's crazy.
We've got, you know, we're just taking care of you. We got people walking all around answering your questions, whatever it is. We got everything for you.
That's awesome. And the deal is 50% off. So if you got to wait a couple minutes, it's no big deal. But it's not going to feel like you're waiting a couple minutes because it's going to be an actual party here. November 29th, rain or shine, right here at the building, 8 to 5. I can't make it November 29th. What's my hookup?
First hookup is Cyber Monday.
Right on. Okay.
Cyber Monday, you go online, buy your passes. It's 30% off because you slacked on Black Friday.
Busy again. Yep.
And you have a code, right?
Kicked in.
You've got the code?
I do. Jolly Santa 2025. Jolly Santa 2025. I'm sleeping. I'm recovering from losing bets on football on Thursday on Thanksgiving, and I can't make Friday. So December 2nd, Monday, 30% off. Jolly Santa 2025. Do that from your living room in your pajamas if you want to.
30% off all our passes for 2025.
Gotcha, but no cookies, no hot chocolate.
No, you don't get any of the bells and whistles.
Yeah, that's all up to you at home if you feel like doing that. I, on Monday, am offshore fishing, trying to catch the last part of sea bass or something for 2024.
So you slacked on Black Friday.
Yep.
You pretend you have to work on Monday, Cyber Monday. Yes. Now you got to come back and
I got something, man. My kid loves Jolly Roger. I forgot. How do I hook it up so I can save a couple of bucks next season?
All the slackers out there.
Something left.
From Tuesday after Cyber Monday, so December 3rd, to December 24th.
Oh, Christmas Eve. That's a long one.
20% off all our passes.
That's insane, man. That's insane.
There's the code, though.
The code.
The code is
Jolly Elf 2025, because that's what we are today.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
We are the Jolly Elves, but it's Jolly Elf 2025.
We're very creative. Jolly whatever.
Yes, jolly. You got to be jolly. It's Jolly Roger, man. What are you talking about? It's got to be jolly. And so those are some great sales. Friday, December 29th, 50% off. In person only with the party here. Black Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Cyber Monday, December 2nd, 30% off. Jolly Santa 2025. In your pajamas at your house, you make the party. Forget all of that. Tuesday, December 3rd till December 24th, 20% off. Online again, from your car, from your truck, from your house. You're obligated to the party again, and that's Jolly Elf 2025. After that, it's 100% full price admission.
We can't help you. You can't make those 3, you're done.
If you can't make any of those, you don't deserve a discount at Jolly Roger in 2025.
Well,
so
you can wait till Easter and you get a discount then too. But that's all.
Yeah, but come on, guys, get with it, man. If it was me, I'm going to be here, and I might be on Friday, November 29th, 50% off. Don't forget, that's going to be an awesome party here. Hopefully the weather cooperates. Steve will be here in all of his glory. This place is going to look absolutely fantastic. Dave's going to be here with the studio folks, doing some interviews with people and see how they had it experience-wise. But good luck with it, man. That's some great sales. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy holidays. Good luck to you and the crew. Much love. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year, folks. A couple more times. Jolly Santa 2025. That's on Cyber Monday. Jolly Elf 2025 from December 3rd until December 24th. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Happy New Year, you folks.
You forgot one thing.
What?
In person.
In person only, November 29th.
There you
Thanks,
go.
Steve. Thanks, guys. Hope to see you here.